You guys already know about the microwave transformer, right? And that it gives an awful lot of electricity. This time we're going to modificate it, so that the transformer would increase not the voltage but the amperage. It's just like the sparkler. Soon you will see what this crazy amperage can do. Okay, we have to switch it off. First, I need to unwind the transformer's winding, and then I wind around a thick wire 3 times. This wire can induce a crazy amount of power. And this amperage can easily melt almost any metal. Let's finish the construction with the metal plate. I don't even need to glue this plate, the magnet won't let it go, never.
Вибрирует сильно.
Spots. It's boiling. Really? Yeah.
Оно так греется, а эти...
Перерыв может сделать.
Despite this amperage, the electricity is harmless for a human. The voltage is pretty small. Tastes like a AA battery, but the amperage here is brutal. 800, damn it! The wire is heated hard after a couple of seconds. This means that here's around 1 kiloampere. Let's do it. See what this amperage does to a nail! The wire's ends are hitting too. I'm not sure should we worry or not, but it glows so beautifully. It is glowing so hard right now. I want to attach one more transformer to the construction, just to increase the power. We forgot to get out the condenser. Don't mix up the phase, or they will do this. Let me put there a wire. Let's see what we've got for now. Wow, get me more! Increase the power! More! Let's see. Nice, keep it up. Keep it, keep it, keep it. It has melted already, see that? There are the drops of metal there, look! The nail has melted. Yeah, it did. This is the amperage I like, luxurious. Let's measure the low range power of these wires. These 3 wires are attached together like this. Let's check it out, guys. They escape! Will the range be melted easily, I wonder? Or the transformer will lose this time? If you won't, pause the video and try to guess. Holy! It's getting so red hot. This is what I call the power. It's like a bulb. Don't like this wire's isolation smells. Oh yeah, obviously it got burnt a little. I can't keep my hands no longer within such heat. Help me, pilers! It glows like a lamp, really, so brightly. See, it's boiling! Boiling! It is sparkling so hard again! I want to put there a pan, see? It catches fire for a second. Short circuit! Plug it out! Out! Damn, the transformer got burned. It must be the wire. It just got burned through and that's it. We overheated the wire. Let's burn it. Oh, come on! For the viewers! Give more, come on. Here we have a very toxic smoke machine. Okay, we should switch it off. We have overdone it. This thing is smelly as hell. If you inhale the smoke a little, you're finished. You know why? Because it's polyvinyl chloride. and it has hydrochloric acid.
Ну или... Фу.
I inhaled. It has melted through the brick. How much was the temperature there? That's a pity we don't have a laser thermometer to find this out.
Чтобы замерить температуру. О,
There, stone and metal have become the one. Let's open it up and see what we have done to it. This thing is very hot.
яичник.
It's hard to hold it. The amperage has melted it, but some scotch tape and the transformer is repaired. The amperage creates a powerful magnetic field around the transformers. Just have a look at this little magnet's fancy dance.
Выключай.
So many people ask me to do this, so... The spinners! Yeah, I'm going to spin this thing with the current. Why it doesn't spin? The magnet power must be enough for this. Let me try it this way. It melts, but why it isn't hot red? Yeah, the bearing started spinning. Here we go. It's burning! Keep it up! There it goes! Look! It shines so hard! It's going crazy! So sorry it is torn apart. The wire is going to melt, so we need a break. There's your spinner. Well, the wire has got trouble again. Yummy, it's like a cheese in a microwave. It's made from light metal, it didn't even went red hot.
Не раскалился.
No way, you're going to blow up, kid. Turn it on and step away. Alright.
Да газ вышел.
Here it goes.
Держи, держи. Взял такой вообще. Потом не разорву. Сейчас запустим, я подержу.
It is cutting through.
Ложит. Держи. Сейчас запустим. Водичка рядом.
Plug it out, it starts burning. The gas can was literally welded through, with no manual labor. I wonder, will it open some canned food? It's gone wild, and I have switched it off. 1 second, and we have got a tiny hole for now. Feel the smell. That's it, it cracked open! Not just open, but heated too, simultaneously. The next video we're going to make something useful out of this super high amperage generator. What do you think it will be?